The gold standard of the scientific method is the randomized controlled trial, or RCT for short. RCTs are a research design which has the power to show that a correlation cannot be due to reverse causation, third factors, or randomness. In order to construct an RCT, researchers must gather a large group of randomly selected participants. These participants are then randomly assigned into two groups, a treatment group and a control group. The treatment group is given whatever treatment we want to test. This research design is the standard for testing pharmaceutical drugs and vaccines. The treatment group is given the drug or vaccine, while the control group is given a placebo with no active ingredients. Then we can compare the results for the treatment group to the control group. If we want to know whether more schooling results in higher wages, we could run an RCT, where we assign the treatment group to get more schooling, while we keep the control group on the same path they otherwise would have been on. Suppose we did that and got the following results. The treatment group was sent to college, while the control group was not. Each person is labeled with their hourly wage a few years after the treatment group completed college. When we compare the averages of these two groups, we find that the treatment group is making $12 an hour more than the control group. But can we really say that college is causing the increase? In this case, yes. Because of the random assignment to treatment or control, it can't be that the outcome is causing the treatment. So in our correlation is not causation lingo, B cannot be causing A, because A was given to people completely randomly. Further, because of the random selection to participate, along with the random assignment to treatment or control, there can't be any third factors biasing the results. There's no C that could cause A and B. That's because each group was randomly chosen. They were not chosen based on any third factors. And so third factors could not determine whether or not they got the treatment. RCTs are the ideal research design for eliminating reasons 2 through 4 of our correlation is not causation framework. And careful statistical analysis is how we eliminate number 5. If we do it right, that leaves only one possibility, which is that A truly is causing B. And with a good RCT, we can even have confidence in our estimate of how much A impacts B. It would be really great if we could do this with schooling, but an experiment which randomly assigns students to go to college or not would be really expensive and probably not something we want to randomly select people to participate in, as it is a decision which will profoundly impact the participants' lives. So an RCT for college is probably out. How do we figure out whether or not college increases people's wages then?